me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 recipes, and I'm going to have these in 3 different videos, so it's not a long video. The first one is Qaimaq chai. It is, for those of you who don't know about Qaimaq chai, it is the tea. It's a green tea with milk and some cream and of course some sugar, and the color is pink. And I'm going to make a Qaimaq chai Afghan style. I think Indians have also similar to this chai, and I think they call it pink tea or Kashmiri tea, but this one is Afghan style Qaimaq chai. And the second video will be, or the second recipe will be Uzbaki bread. It's very similar to the regular bread, but a very small, round shape, tasty bread. And the third one is Turkish bagels. These bagels are topped with sesame seed, and they taste fabulous. Very close to bagels, but a little bit different, and it tastes really good. So if this is what you're interested in, please continue to watch, and I'll show you all 3 recipes step by step. Thank you for watching. recipes right here. We have our beautiful pink Qaimaq chai, and it was very amazing, as you saw, that how the color changes from a green tea to a beautiful pinkish tea. And honestly, the taste is fabulous as well. And also we have our Turkish bagels, and they look fantastic as well. And we have our Uzbaki bread right here, and they look really attractive as well. So let me try this Qaimaq chai with these with the bagels and the bread. And the reason why I did all three of them together, because normally when I make Qaimaq chai, I make the Turkish bagel with bread, and all three go together very, very well, and it tastes really good. So let's try and see how they are. So the piece of bread, I'm gonna start with the Uzbaki bread. And a sip of Qaimaq chai. Very delicious. The bread is chewy, it's soft in the inside. It is really, really good. And the Qaimaq chai is not very sweet. It is really good, a little bit creamy. And by the way, you can I used 2% milk, and you can either use whole milk, or you can use low-fat milk as well. And here's our Turkish bread, Turkish bagel. Let me try. Very good. I like the sesame seed on top of this. It is really good. It gives it a little bit crunch as well, and it's really, really delicious. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed all three recipes. If you have any questions, or if you have any comments, please comment down below. And if you like these recipes, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.